We know that Saturn is called the most beautiful planet in the solar system, because Saturn has that incomparably beautiful ring, but the charm of Saturn is more than that. There is a mysterious hexagon at the North Pole of Saturn. For some scientists, this mysterious sixth polygon is of greater interest to them. So what exactly is this mysterious hexagon? Mysterious hexagon. This mysterious hexagon exists in the North Pole of Saturn, which was first noticed by scientists when NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft visited Saturn in 1981. The hexagon of Saturn is fascinating, but also very strange. This strange phenomenon only occurs at the North Pole of Saturn. In a new study, a pair of researchers studied the dynamics of Saturn's churning gas to determine what kind of planetary fluid dynamics caused this mysterious structure. And put forward speculation about this: the underground vortex may be hidden behind the mysterious hexagon of Saturn. Last year, Yadav and Jeremy Bloxham from the Department of Earth and Planetary Sciences at Harvard University in Cambridge, Massachusetts conducted a month-long computer simulation to understand the physical phenomena behind Saturn's hexagon. According to their research, the atmospheric flow inside Saturn produces large and small vortices around the planet's north pole. Coincidentally, a strong horizontal jet about 60 degrees above the equator squeezed and restricted the vortex at the edge of the hexagon crazily. On July 22, 2013, NASA's Cassini spacecraft took this natural color photo about 984,000 kilometers from the North Pole of Saturn. Yadav believes that the vortex does exist, but it is hidden deep in the cloud top, so for spacecraft like Voyager 2 that fly over Saturn and the recent NASA Cassini mission, they are mostly invisible. After the Voyager 2 data returned to Earth, scientists hypothesize that the hexagon may be caused by an underground cyclone, as this new study shows. Yadav said that although Cassini's observations of Saturn from 2004 to 2017 helped scientists learn more about the planet's fluid dynamics, when the spacecraft found no significant signs of its existence, the underground vortex Schwann's theory does not have much foothold. Yadav modeled deep turbulent compressible convection. This phenomenon occurs when the material at the bottom of a thick layer of liquid or gas is heated at the bottom, and when it is cooled at the top, the temperature difference causes the material to move up and down in a circle. This phenomenon is similar to the situation when someone puts cold water into a pot, lights a stove, and starts heating the water. As the water transfers heat upward to the colder surface, the heat from the bottom of the pot stirs the water. This film is made from images taken by the Cassini imaging camera. It is the first film to show the hexagon of Saturn in a color filter, and it is also the first to show a complete view from the North Pole to 70 degrees north latitude. Movie. A vortex in the lower left corner of the hexagon is visible, but the researchers' latest simulations show many invisible vortices that may form a hexagon. Yadav said that their simulation captured the physical phenomenon behind the unipolar hexagon, and provided a possibility that in the past, Saturn may have a hexagon at the South Pole instead of the North Pole, or at each other. All poles have hexagons. The simulation did not show a hexagon, but instead produced an angled object with 9 sides instead of 6 sides. But Yadav said that the mechanics behind the simulation show that underground vortices are the reason behind the geometric features. It is very possible that under different conditions, we can easily get 6 edges instead of 9. However, current computer simulations are difficult to perform, and researchers can only conduct small-scale studies within the scope of existing parameters. I hope that researchers can run more cases in the future to better understand Saturn's beautiful imprints.